like whole my family, we were watching together. So my dad put the big screen into the house with the projector and all. हम लोग सब बैठ के ऑक्शन देख रहे थे and then मुझे याद है कि like 3 घंटे I think 3 घंटे बाद मेरा नाम आया. I was really like sweating and like very nervous कि क्या होने वाला है. So क्योंकि ऐसे था डैनी वर्ड अनसोल्ड भाई ये लोग अनसोल्ड जा रहे तो लाइक who are you like it was like that at one point of time कि यार ये लोग अनसोल्ड जा रहे हैं कि तुझे कौन लेगा. So all these questions were coming and then like I remember like you wait for that moment and that moment is so small. तो ऐसा था दिशा का assert RCB picked sold and moved. I can see that beside me everyone started jumping, everyone was very happy. My mom was saying अरे मिठाई लेके आओ and everything and my sister was like Dishu you got selected. I was like yeah I got into WPL. Like it really took some time for me to soak it in and realize that okay what you're working for, all that work has paid off in that very moment and okay let's soak it in and then you got selected for the RCB team. And I think if you would have asked me before or at the time of auction okay if you have one choice which team you will prefer, I would have said RCB and then RCB picked me. It was like a dream come true. In the first season, like losing 5 back-to-back games, it was very hard for us as a team to take that up because after every game we were thinking, okay, what we can do better, and then we were like, we were trying to do that, apply that, and still not coming. Then again we lost, and then it was tough. It was really tough because we were expecting to be in the final, and then we were 5 down. Like it really like we couldn't take that. Like we were trying everything we can and but it was not coming off. So but honestly at the same time we did accept that we are not playing our best cricket, and Smriti also said that I take responsibility of the team, of the losses, and it's okay whatever happened we can't change that, but we know that RCB fans are the best fans. They will show up for us and all they need is not win but more of our efforts in the field. So whether it's be fielding, whether it's be batting, whether it's be bowling, let's give it all for them. We don't have anything to lose now but everything to give to our fans who always show up for us. When Virat came, actually, हम लोग को किसी को पता नहीं था that he is coming. So we were just there for the meeting and then he walked in and we were all looking like, is it real? Someone pinched me like Virat Kohli is in front of us. He said one thing that is, I still remember that I have been with RCB for last 17 years and I know how it feels to be on the losing side, but I know that RCB fans are the best fans in the world. They will show up, they will show your support. All you need to do is that give it all you have. They will, like me being with no trophy but having the best fan base in the world. Don't worry, no matter what you do, win or lose, fan will be always there to back you, to support you. RCB fans are the best fans in the world. I am feeling goosebumps when I'm hearing Chinnaswamy WPL game and like the loudest crowd I have ever experienced in my whole life. It's crazy. I don't know. Like it's just crazy. They were with the banners, with the cheer. It was just amazing. I think without anything, it was just out of pure heart they came and supported us. I remember when we won that final. I think we hugged each other, we jumped on each other because we knew how it felt as a team to go through all those suffering, sacrifices and to lift that trophy has been incredible. But I will say that the moment we won to the time we left the ground, I don't remember what was going in my head. it was just being present and embracing that time. I don't know what was happening, what all. It just pure joy I can say. And then we went back to room at 4. And I remember when I was watching those photos and I was posting on Instagram, and that time I realized sitting on my bed alone, like what we did, like oh God, like this really happened. RCB fans deserve that trophy more than anyone else. So I think they have been really loyal, and I think we all enjoyed that, and I think the fans enjoyed that even more. We went to Chinnaswamy after that trophy at the RCB unbox event, and I think respect to them. Like when things don't go well for us, we give up, but they haven't given up for RCB for last 17 years or last 18 years. So it was all for them. To see that faces of joy in the stadium, the faces of joy outside RCB bar and cafe, it was just amazing. Smriti has led this team really well. She have led it from the first. She took the responsibility. She made a lot of effort to know the person, to be there for them. Like even when we were having match simulations, camp, she was showing up. She was telling you can do this to get better at this and all those stuff. So she was always there for us. I don't think you will see a better, elegant left-hander than Smriti. So when she bats, it's like icing on the cake. It's just like get the popcorn in your hand even if you're sitting in the dressing room and enjoy her batting. So when she's in the top of her form, so I think nothing like it. She's the most beautiful player to watch. Ellis Perry is again someone I have always looked towards to, and I've really idolized her with her fitness, the standard she sets. But let me take you through not only her batting and bowling, like she is the person who runs from deep mid-wicket to deep mid-wicket every over, and to do that for 20 overs and then bat at 1 down, and doing that for the period of 10 matches, it's not easy. Like I think she is someone who has always balanced our team, and someone who rose to the occasion. Okay, it's like boat is shaking or we are sinking. Okay, Ellis Perry is like, no, I am still here. I can't let it sink. So she is that person. No matter what situation she is put under, she will get you out of that. I always believed in this sentence that this shall too pass. I have said this earlier, that even if there are lows, there will be highs, and when there are highs, there will be lows. So what I've learned from this 2 seasons, it's to balance. To have that balance, to have that faith that better things are coming ahead of you. For me, process is everything. I have learned it the hard way. I have always been the person who is like, if I achieve this, then I'll get this. If I achieve this, then this. So I remember, I think there were like 8 months I didn't had a sweet. Just because I said myself that if I get 100, then only I'm gonna have sweet. So I've always कि मुझे ये मिला तो मैं ये करूँगी. But I think life is not so hard to be. I think it's about being yourself. Cricket is just a part of life. Life is so much bigger than cricket. And if we are so focused on end result, like if I get India, then I'll be happy. So I felt that's not true. There is happiness in so much small things, and you forget to enjoy that just because you are like, if I get this, then only I'll be happy. End goal or end result may or might not be the best thing happen to you, but the journey is.